Every week in Egypt, people hear the same words on TV and all media about the economy. Hot money, uzun kizana, which corresponds to treasury bills, primary deficit, devaluation, domestic debt. But very few people ever stop and explain what these words actually mean and how they quietly decide the price of bread, rent, medicine, and even your chance to leave the country or stay. This series is not about shouting and not about party politics. It's about one simple question. How does the Egyptian economic machine really work, from your wallet up to the state budget? We will take the big, scary words you hear every day, break them into simple pieces, and reconnect them to real Egyptian life. On Mondays, we build the basics, step by step. What is inflation, really? Why does the pound keep losing value? What happens when interest rates go up, for you and for the state? On Fridays, we connect these ideas to real events, an interest rate decision, a new loan, a spike in prices, or a story from Cairo, Alexandria, or a small village in Upper Egypt. We will use official numbers from the central bank and the Ministry of Finance and explain them in normal language, so that economic news stops feeling like a foreign language. Egypt is not just numbers on a screen. It is families planning weddings, parents paying school fees, young people deciding whether to stay, to work abroad, or to give up. Understanding the system will not fix everything overnight, but it gives you one thing the market cannot devalue: clarity. This is our starting point. Egypt as it is, the economy as it works. Join us.